Welcome to a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka. A place where history and nature unite to create an unforgettable experience. Join us as we journey to the Mahakanadara Tank, an awe-inspiring reservoir steeped in ancient heritage, breathtaking landscapes, and stories that resonate through centuries. As you approach the Mahakanadara Tank, the first thing that strikes you is its grandeur. This historic reservoir, located just a short distance from Mihintale, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and vision of our ancestors. Constructed during the reign of King Mahasen in the 3rd century, the Mahakanadara Tank, known historically as Kanawapi or Kanadiadora, is a marvel of ancient Sri Lankan engineering. Its stone bridges, intricate sluice systems, and embankments are not just functional, they are masterpieces that speak of a civilization deeply attuned to both nature and innovation. The tank's sprawling waters mirror the beauty of the surrounding landscapes. This is a place where history whispers through the breeze, inviting you to step back in time and marvel at the accomplishments of those who came before us. But Mahakanadara Tank is more than its ancient past. In the evenings, it transforms into a haven of tranquility. The gentle wind dances across the water's surface, carrying with it a mesmerizing coolness that wraps around you like a soft embrace. The evening sky bursts into a kaleidoscope of colors, painting a picture so vivid it feels almost otherworldly. Here, amidst the beauty of twilight, you can glimpse the Mihintale temple perched majestically on its mountain. A sacred beacon that adds a spiritual charm to this already magical setting. For centuries, Mahakanadara Tank has supported life, irrigating the lands and nurturing the ecosystems that thrive in its embrace. It's a place of vibrant biodiversity, where the call of birds and the rustle of trees blend harmoniously with the lapping of water against the shores. During the season, the tank's surroundings become a gathering ground for herds of elephants. It's a spectacle of nature's grandeur, where these gentle giants come to quench their thirst and roam freely. On the far side of the lake bank, a lone elephant limps along, clearly in pain. A wound on his front leg suggests he may have been shot, leaving him to walk uncomfortably. This heartbreaking sight is a stark reminder of the grave dangers these magnificent creatures face in today's world. Today, efforts to restore and preserve the Mahakanadara Tank continue, ensuring that future generations can experience its splendor. Thanks to the vision of dedicated engineers and conservationists, the reservoir once again breathes life into the land, irrigating over 7,000 acres and connecting us to a history that refuses to fade. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting golden hues across the water, you'll realize why this place has captivated the hearts of so many. Mahakanadara Tank is more than a destination. It's a journey through time, a celebration of nature's beauty, and a reminder of the remarkable legacy of Sri Lanka's past. So come and lose yourself in the timeless charm of Mahakanadara Tank. Feel the breeze, watch the sky come alive with color, and let the whispers of history guide you through this enchanting sanctuary. This is more than a visit. It's an experience that will leave you in awe, inspiring you to cherish the beauty of our land and the stories it holds. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Ceylon Chronicles, and check out our exciting video on Horton Plains. Join us on this incredible journey.